Hi, bandmate. It's me, Miss Alyssa. Let's learn about primary colors and first words. We have a red car, a blue monster truck, and a yellow car. We have blue tape and red paper, blue paper, and yellow paper. Let's start with yellow. We're going to create a tunnel. Fold it up like that, and we need blue tape. Good. We have yellow with blue tape. We're going to tape the edges down to form a nice tunnel for our car to go through. There it is. Now, let's take our yellow car. Yellow. And let's say go. Ready, set, go. Let's do it again. Ready, set, go. Up. Where did it go? Come out, come out. Say out. Good. Ready, set, go. Uh-oh. Come out. Come out, please. Out. And one more time. Ready, set, go. The car came out. Let's drive the car in, and take it out. In, out. Our car is in front. Our car is behind. Our car is on the paper. Our car drives down. Great job. Ready, set, go. Great job with our yellow car and paper. Now let's do red. Red. Let's make a tunnel with our red construction paper. Our primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Let's use red next. We have our red tunnel and our red car. Let's practice our words ready, set, go. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Again. Ready, set, go. Again. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. The car is on top of the paper, and the car drives off. On and off. The car goes around the tunnel. Around. Round and round it goes. And the car goes in. Great job. Next is the color blue. Let's make a blue tunnel. We need our blue tape and our blue paper. Tape it up. And let's use our blue monster truck. Cool. The monster truck is big. Ready, set, go. Let me hear you say it. Ready, set, go. Good. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. This monster truck likes to go on top of the tunnel and smushes it down. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Flatten out that paper. Flatten that tunnel. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Drive, drive, drive. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Great job, monster truck. Stomp, stomp, stomp. You did it!